Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by targeting where the email link might live, so open the web page or document now. Once done, use the browser's Find feature to search for Mailto or @ because those shortcuts reveal direct links quickly. If the visible page shows nothing, open Developer Tools or View Source to inspect link elements and hidden href attributes. Make sure to keep the address bar and active tab visible. This speeds verification and prevents you from losing the correct page while you proceed. Now inspect the link elements more carefully. Open Elements or Inspector and look for anchor tags where href starts with Mailto or contains an email address. If the address is obfuscated, split across spans, encoded, or built by JavaScript, trace the surrounding script or data attributes to reconstruct it. Once you find potential candidates, use the network panel or console to capture dynamically generated values while reloading the page. Because some emails only appear after scripts run, this ensures you extract the final usable link. Finish by verifying the link works. Copy or click the Mailto into your mail client and confirm the recipient and subject populate as expected. If nothing appears, search cached or archived versions of the page, check contact forms, or inspect related profile pages for alternate addresses. Make sure to try another browser, disable extensions, or view the raw HTML if scripts or blockers interfere. Troubleshooting tip: if an email is still hidden, take a screenshot and retrace the steps in a clean profile so you can isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.